Welcome to All Out Performance Diesel and South Texas Transmission in Spring, Texas. The best little repair shop in Southeast Texas. All Out Performance Diesel offers professional custom and high-performance diesel engine and transmission repair and modifications for diesel cars and trucks. We've earned a reputation for optimizing performance in diesel trucks throughout the areas of Conroe, Texas, the Woodlands and Spring, Texas. We are the professional experts for transmission repair that you are looking for. We service all makes and models of cars and trucks. We can also service fleets. Situated in the heart of the northern Houston suburbs, we are serving the entire area with top-notch customer service and the best rates for repairs. We can finance repairs up to $5,000, same as cash for 6 months. No credit needed. Free towing is available on all major repairs. Give us a call today, call 936-273-3977 or visit our website alloutdieselandtransmission.com.